Did you feel that? That's money education to the point shaking you to stop being so fearful when it comes on to investing. Why are you so fearful to invest? There are many myths that surround the topic of investing. Some people say you need to be rich, or that you need to be an expert, or that it's too risky. But the truth is, not investing is riskier. Investing is essential if you want your money to keep up with inflation. As inflation declines the consumer and the company's buying power. But if investing is done correctly, it will also outperform inflation. Because your money is working for you when you invest, you can work smarter rather than harder. If you had put $500 each month for over 30 years at a 10% annual return in the S&P 500, which is the 500 largest companies listed on the stock exchange in the US, you would have just a little under $1 million presently. But if you save this $500 each month under your mattress, you would only have $108,000. Before we dive even deeper, be sure to stay glued to your screen for the entire video, as there will be lots of knowledge being shared and giveaways you don't want to miss. So go ahead and pause this video right now to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you know when a new video is out, like, share, and follow me on all socials. The links to those are at the top of the home page, as well as check for updates I share on the community tab and even on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. The links are in the description. Drop a comment if you end up being one of the wonderful winners. I would love to hear from you. First place to start is to check your 401k. It is a retirement plan that is offered by many employers, or you can find out if your company offers a pension package. If you don't have this, then you can skip this step. But this is the simplest, most straightforward way to start saving. So before you do anything, find out if a portion of your salary is going into your 401k. In Jamaica, you can invest on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, which is well managed and well regulated. Some companies you can consider doing this with are Proven Wealth Management, Barita, JN Bank Fund Managers, Scotia Investments, NCB Capital Markets, Sagicor, and others. Opening this account is somewhat similar to opening a regular account. You will need your ID, TRN, proof of address, for example a utility bill, and sometimes 2 references. I want you to understand that you don't have to be rich to invest. The minimum amount to invest is usually 100 units of any currency. Once you set up your account, you can follow the latest business news like this channel, and the Jamaica Stock Exchange also has an app that you can keep updated so that you keep track of the companies that are performing well. Some investment accounts outside of Jamaica are Roth IRA, HAS, Traditional IRA, SEP IRA, and brokerage accounts. The difference between these accounts is that you either have a tax advantage or you don't. Tax advantage allows no income tax on dividends, no capital gains tax on growth, and you only withdraw in retirement as well as contribute pre-tax money, where pre-tax means you won't pay taxes on the money until you withdraw from your account, usually after you retire. For the taxable accounts, income tax is charged on dividends, capital gains tax on growth, and you can withdraw whenever as well as contribute after-tax money. An example of a suitable investment account is the Roth IRA, which you can open at Fidelity Brokerage or Vanguard, which are the 2 biggest brokerages. You will now need to transfer money into the account So you'll be able to buy stocks and bonds to add to the funds in the Roth IRA. So you will now need to decide which investment you'll be buying for the account, whether it is a stock or it is a bond. But first you'd need to know what these two are. A bond is a loan to a government agency or a business, while stocks allow ownership in a corporation. There are different ways you can buy stocks. You can buy individual stocks directly, or you can buy them in a fund. And a fund gives you diversification. Diversification involves spreading your money across a variety of investments and asset classes. That is, you don't put all your eggs in one basket. So, to choose a fund, look for one with low fees. You can look at buying index funds which have lower fees and overall better performance. Index funds basically is buying shares in many companies with the goal of closely tracking the stock market's overall performance. Examples of these are S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Russell 2000. While investing in a bond, you basically are lending money to a company, so you earn the interest from the money you lend. Investing in stocks is riskier than investing in bonds because if a company goes bankrupt, the bondholders get paid first. It's good to include both in your investment portfolio, as while stocks are riskier, they have a higher potential reward, while bonds are less risky but have a lower potential reward. Next thing to look at is asset allocation. If you are younger and have some more years before retirement, you may want to go with stocks. But if you are nearer to retirement, you may want to go with bonds. So if the market goes up or down, you will have time to bounce back. Are you ready for the giveaway? These two giveaways will be beneficial to my Jamaican subscribers this time around. But keep liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and I will eventually grow to a level I can treat everyone, including my international subscribers, as I love and appreciate you all. So without further delay, I'll be sharing the numbers to 2 phone card credits from the 2 service providers in Jamaica, Flow and Digicel.